Episode of Educare with Ajibola. So here on board, we have a question saying that a primary alkanol has a molecular mass of 60. Now, when we talk about alkanols in general, alkanols have an identity, and the identity of every alkanol, be it the primary alkanol, the tertiary alkanol, or the secondary alkanol, possess what? The functional group of OH. Now, this is as important as your respective or as our respective surnames. So now, as a molecular mass, now note that before we can then assume that the molecular mass is equal to 60, then we have to express the molecular formula. The molecular formula for alkanol is CnH2n plus 1OH. So that's why I said that this is as important as anything. Even there in the compound itself, whether you want to express ethanol, you want to write propanol, OH is important there. Please take it. Now, another name for alkanols is also alcohol. They are also alcohols. Now, let's express this. Carbon here has a mass number of 12. Oxygen has mass number of 16. So then this becomes 12 times n, right? Plus, now, hydrogen is 1. So this is 1 times 2n. 2n. Please take note of that. Then plus 1. Plus oxygen is 16. Then plus hydrogen is 1. Now note that everything has a molecular mass of what? Of 60. Let's write like this. Now let's proceed. 12 times n would give us 12n, plus this would give us 2n, plus 16 plus 1, 17. This is 18, is equals to 60. Please take note of that. Now 12n plus 2n, that will give us 14n plus 18 is equals to 60. And let's correct our like terms. 14n is equals to 60 minus 18. 14n would give us what? 42. I will divide both sides by 14. Divide both sides by 14. So n now is equals to what? So 14 divided by 42, that should be 3. Right? So now we are not done. Then we are now coming back here. So it means that wherever we have n or wherever we find n, we are imputing or inserting it to be what? 3. Now coming back here, which is CnH2n plus 1OH. Right? So this is going to be C3, right? H2 times 3 plus 1OH, right? So this is C3, H6, right? Plus 1. So that would be H7OH. So this is most likely to be what? Propanol. Propanol. And propanol is an example of what? Primary alkanol. So there are two things you will most likely see